Hello, good evening and welcome. This is 6 p.m. Prime. Our coverage on Bihar election continues. I'm in Patna today. But what you saw was a glimpse of what we found out when we went to Muzaffarpur. And Muzaffarpur district, if you go slightly out, there is a place called Motipur. In 1933, there was a sugar mill that was established by the Britishers. And the sugar mill worked till 1994, and since then the sugar mill is waiting to be opened up. Now this entire area used to grow sugar cane. The farmers have also been affected because the sugar mill is not working. Floods have added to their woes. Take a look at the starting of this show on a ground report from Motipur, which the entire Muzaffarpur district is going to go to polls in the second phase. Take a look at what the farmers and the workers in this area feel about the neglect. This is a British-era sugar mill where I'm standing right now. In 1933, Motipur Sugar Factory was established. It worked even after independence till 1997. And since 1997, Motipur Sugar Factory, which is in the Muzaffarpur district in Bihar, is only waiting for empty tall promises to be fulfilled by successive political leaders.
चीनी मिल के चलते एक देहाती क्षेत्र शहरी क्षेत्र बना, तो जब ये बंद हो गई तो फिर उसकी वही स्थिति आ गई। पुनः मुश्किल हुआ, जहाँ थी वहाँ फिर चली गई। यहाँ के लोगों का जो शहरीकरण में जो इसका विकास हो रहा था मोतीपुर का, वो बिल्कुल ठप हो गया।
It's as if I have been transported back into the time. These are 4 steam engines, locomotive engines. And it's fascinating to, in fact, see them. There are 4 of them just lined up in this loco shed. When you come here, it's a very sad commentary. They are now just layers of rust which is possibly left. The entire loco shed is breaking. The roof has almost broken down. But for an economy which was completely surrounded, based on this sugar factory, the villages, the farmers, the workers, the market around, suddenly in 1997 when it shut down, everything comes crashing down. The impact of that possibly is still being felt. And it also is a testimony of how successive governments, their policies, have failed an already existing infrastructure, an already existing small economy, which possibly could have helped Bihar move forward. तो जब फैक्ट्री बंद हुआ तो आपके ऊपर कैसे असर पड़ा उसका? एक तो आपकी मजदूरी चली गई
और यहाँ खेती भी लॉस हो गई। फैक्ट्री नहीं चल रही है तो खूब आकर हम लोग क्या करेंगे? इसको जलावन का काम करेंगे।
क्या सरकार कोई मदद कर रही है? 97 से कोई मदद हुई अभी तक आप लोगों को?
सरकार के जब चुनाव आएगी तो उसका प्रधान मुद्दा बनेगा। स्वयं नीतीश कुमार जी 1990 में जब शासन सत्ता में आने का काम किया 2005 में, तो उन्होंने घोषणा किया था कि सबसे पहले चीनी मिल चालू करूंगा पहले कैबिनेट की बैठक में, अन्यथा दोबारा कभी वोट मांगने नहीं आऊंगा। इसके वजह से जब वो आते हैं तो यहाँ के मजदूर और किसान उनका विरोध करता है।